WMF Elevation 10 Daily Cleaning. From the cleaning menu, select the milk system cleaning option. Remove the milk hose from the milk container and connect it to the hot water spout. Be sure to route the hose over the spout. Confirm by selecting Yes on the display to start the automatic rinsing process. Wait until the cleaning cycle is completely finished. Please be careful, as hot water will be discharged during the process. Once cleaning is complete, remove the plug-and clean adapter from the hot water spout and reconnect it to the milk container. Please be careful, as there may still be hot water in the hose. The cleaning process is complete, and the machine is now ready for use again.